Hi and welcome, Lisa here for Trinity Stamps. Thanks for joining me here on the Tags of Appreciation Inspiration playlist. Now, this playlist is created to offer inspiration featuring the Tags of Appreciation dies that are available with a $20 or higher purchase in the Trinity Stamps online shop while supplies last. I'm going to share two quick cards with you. The first one, I'm going to use the Slimline black and white paper pack from Trinity. I'm going to do a little bit of foiling with some red and green foil. I have my Scotch laminate heating up. I've had it heating up for about 10 minutes or so. And I have scrap pieces of foil. Now, the little ornament tag is about 1.5 inches wide, so I don't need a lot of this. So I'm just going to trim down what I need and then run this through the laminator. Now, when I run this through, I run it through as is. I don't put it between parchment paper. I find I get the best results when I run it straight through with just the cardstock and the foil. And so here you're going to see I get great results by doing that, and it doesn't mess up my machine. I have a piece of the paper with the red foil and green foil. I'm cutting 2 each out of each piece. So I'll have a total of 4 ornaments, and you can see how cute that little ornament is in that foiled cardstock. I went ahead and I cut the top because the tag actually comes with this tiny little top piece to the ornament. I ran that through the die cut machine with black cardstock. I'm using a little bit of glue to add that to the top of it. And then we're going to start to assemble the card. Like I said, these are quick and simple cards. This playlist is to inspire you on more ways to use the tags other than just as gift tags. I have a piece of black and white striped paper from the Slimline black and white pattern paper pack glued to the back of it. I have it cut to go onto a 3.5 by 8.5 inch Slimline card base. This, I cut it to about 3.25 by 8.25 is the size of the pattern paper. I added mounting foam to the back of my little foiled ornaments, and I'm lining them straight up the center. I have a sentiment stamped from the A Sentiment for Almost Everything stamp set, just a simple Merry Christmas sentiment stamped onto white card using VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink. And I'm just simply adding a little bit of adhesive to the back of that sentiment and lining it up over that second ornament. For my second card, quick and simple, I used the new Slimline Modern Embossed die set. I cut the black panel and then I cut the white panel from that die set. I took the centers left over. I went direct to paper with Distress Oxide inks in the Festive Berries, Evergreen Bough, and the Peacock Feathers. I'm running these through my die cut machine with the little ornament. Once I have these cut out, I'm also going to cut out the tops to them once again with black cardstock and a little dot of glue to the top of these and add that detail there. I've added mounting foam to the back of my white cardstock frame, and I'm going to go ahead and center that up on my card base. And mounting foam to the back of the ornaments, and we'll go ahead and center those inside each window. Now you could do this with the mini Slimline Modern die that's in the shop as well. So here I'm using a few of the golden baubles from Trinity to add to my ornaments. I did come in and add some gold detail with my gel pen, again with the same Merry Christmas sentiment as the first card in the center of that ornament, and that's pretty much going to wrap us up. Now you can click the link in the description box below and hop over to the next video to check out more inspiration featuring more of the tags that are available. Remember, these are only available with a $20 or higher purchase in the Trinity Stamp shop, and it's while supplies last. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out the Tags of Appreciation playlist, and I hope you have an amazing day.